Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. JoyT5 is an official RIPA dealer in Canada and United States. We have locations all over Canada and United States, and we're very happy to make this video to congratulate RIPA on their birthday. On July 18th, 2025, RIPA is going to turn 13 years old. We've been working with RIPA for multiple years, and we're very happy with their equipment. We want to thank them for their continuous improvement on quality, for always growing the product line and improving the machines. RIPA listens to our suggestions over the years, and they make the products better. And with their quality, it helps us grow. That's why RIPA, thank you so much, and we wish you growth and prosperity, and we're looking forward to growing together with you. Happy birthday.